Hi guys, it's Frankie from Frankie Tech, and I'm here today, guys. You're looking at this box right here. It's the Mi A2. Yeah, I've already reviewed this phone, right? Well, guess what? I'm standing outside here of the Mi store here in Hong Kong, man. Check it out. It's pretty cool. And the reason why you're seeing this box is because there's a new phone to go with this box, and that's this phone right here. This is the Mi A2 Red Edition. Oh yeah, an exclusive for Frankie Tech. I think I've not seen any other channel get this phone this early. The red version of the Mi A2 right here on Frankie Tech. And let's remove here real quick the skin here. And this case came included in the box, so I'm super excited. And you can see here, there's the Mi store, and it's right here in Mong Kok, and they have all sorts of awesome phones in there. They had the Mi A2 already available. I was shocked. And then I was even more shocked to find that they had not only the Mi A2 available, but they had it in the color red. And I immediately just had to pick it up. I had to pick it up because you know what? This is the Mi A2 that I'm keeping, guys. This is it. The black one that I have right now is going back to the store. I'm definitely going to sell that back. And there it is. There's the Mi A2. But look at this color, guys. Oh my, OMG, man. OMG. That is a shockingly good look. Oh wow. I honestly, I thought the Redmi Note 5 looked good in red, but man, this takes the cake. Look at that beautiful kind of sleek branding there. To think that for the price around 1,600 Hong Kong dollars that I can get this phone, it gives me the same experience almost as the OnePlus 6 in red. This is just shimmery beautifulness right there. It is absolutely gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. I'm just so happy that this phone is here and that that I have it to show to you guys right here. And let's see if I can kind of pull out the old kind of Mi A2 as well. Let me see if I can do that. But first, I'm gonna have to kind of put the case back on this. But you know what, guys? I've been working. Just let me give you a quick update. I've been working on the on this battery drain test with the Mi Max 3 and the Honor Note 10, and it's taken forever. It has been one of the hardest videos I've ever had to film. It is just insanely tough. But I'm gonna get that out to you guys soon. But honestly, I did not expect to get this phone out. I did not expect that I'd be having to go to my guy, to my retailer dude, and basically tell him that I'm kind of done with the black version of this phone. The red version is everything that I would want in a smartphone. It is amazing. And let's kind of turn it around here. You can see I literally still had the kind of the tag on this one. And let's compare the black to the red here real quick, if we can. Whoa. Remember, I'm doing all this one-handed, and I'm doing it on a fire hydrant, which is probably the absolute worst place to do this. But there you go, look at that. Look at that right there. Look at that difference in red color versus black color. And I'll do a full comparison between these two, probably before I sell off the black one. But man, I love the Mi A2. It is a great phone. It's been spectacular on my trip to Singapore, and I've just enjoyed using it. But now, you see it there, guys. I have it in this awesome ass red color. This is just an awesome color, and I can't wait to share this with you guys. So I'm gonna put my knee there so I don't drop that one. Put this bad boy back in there. But oh man, what a look! And I love especially that the transparent case is included with this phone. I don't like the black case that's included with the black phone. And just to show you guys real quick here, the version that I got, let's turn it around here. This is the 4 GB of RAM, 64 GB of storage right there. And there's the A2 Red. You can get this in Hong Kong now, guys. And it's the same exact phone as the one I used before. But I'm gonna see if it has any other kind of specific bands related to it. I don't think so. I think it's the same phone all around the world. And dudes, I can't wait to kind of share kind of my findings of this phone with you guys. There it is, the Mi A2. And you know what? I mean, how could I pick a better spot? This fire hydrant is about as red as it gets. And what a better spot right here next to the Mi store here in Hong Kong to show you guys this awesome Redmi A2. Xiaomi A2 in red color. I am definitely keeping this one. Holy crap, this is a gorgeous phone. This is the look. This is the one. Holy moly, I'm very happy. Anyways, guys, that's it for this video. Stay tuned for my battery drain test coming later this evening. It's no pun, like, and pardon my French, but it's been a bitch. It's been a bitch to try to film that one, and I'll explain all about it in the video. But the results will be very surprising to you, so stay tuned for that, man. It was a really interesting one to film so far, and I'm not done filming it yet, so I'm going to try to get that out to you guys tonight. So stay tuned. But just wanted to share my new Mi A2. I guess it's number 3 now. I had the blue one, then I had the black one, and now I have the red one. And I'm going to stick with the red one because red is where it's at. If you can get the black front and you can get the red back, that's where it's at, guys. Anyway, that's it for this video, guys. If you liked it, give me a thumbs up. If you can't wait to see that battery drain test coming up on the Mi Max 3 and the Honor Note 10, then definitely hit that subscribe button and get ready, because that's been a labor of love right there. It's been a long road to film that one. So anyways, guys, that's it for this, and I guess this is where I leave you by saying this is Frankie Tech signing off. Y'all have a good one.